Hi everyone, welcome to Adharshala coding classes. Today we are going to explore an interesting mathematical concept and its name is Armstrong numbers. When you write 153, it contains 3 digits. If I cube all 3 digits and then I do the sum of all 3 of them, it's coming out as 153. An Armstrong number is a number where the sum of its own digits, each raised to the power of the number of digits equals to the number itself. 9474. It has 4 digits, so we raise each digit to the power of 4 and sum them up. If the result matches the original number, it's the Armstrong number. Now let's write a Python program to check whether a number is Armstrong number or not. Open your Python editor and follow along. First, we ask the user to enter a number. We store the original number because we will modify it in the next steps. Now, we determine the number of digits in the number, which helps in the calculation. Next, we extract each digit using a while loop and compute the sum of powered digits. Finally, we compare the sum of the original number to determine if it's Armstrong number. Now, let's test this program with multiple values to see if it works correctly. Notice that 9475 is not an Armstrong number because its sum does not match the original number. Try experimenting with more numbers yourself. What if we want to check Armstrong number in a range? Let's modify our program. This prints all Armstrong numbers up to 9999. And that's how we check Armstrong numbers using Python. We explored the concept, wrote the code step by step, and even optimized it. Let's try it yourself. Can you find more Armstrong numbers? Like, share, and subscribe.